Well, it's time to take a look at your markets picture, kicking things off with the JSE. Now, stocks back in positive territory, but not gaining all the losses shed in yesterday's session. Really seesawing as traders assess the impact the war in the Middle East could have on the broader economy. And with that, we are seeing gains coming through from the resources 10 complex, up close to 1.5%, followed by a 1.1% rise in the industrial 25, the financial 15 gaining close to 0.7%. Taking all of that into account, the all share closing up 0.96%. Now it's green across the board on Wall Street as oil prices ease. Although traders remain cautious amid the ongoing US-Iran conflict, investors are also digesting the latest jobs data, which showed the private sector added 63,000 jobs in February, the strongest gain since July. Of course, that reading offers some clues ahead of the closely watched payrolls report due out on Friday. With that, we are seeing the Nasdaq leading the gains, up 1.3%, followed by the S&P 500 up just shy of 0.75%. The Dow Jones gaining 0.6%. Investors over in Europe also tracking developments in the Middle East amidst it all, markets regaining ground after days of losses and back in positive territory, with the DAX gaining 1.7%, the French CAC 40 jumping just over 1%, and the FTSE 100 up 0.7%. Now taking a look at what's playing out in the currency scene, kicking things off with the local unit. We did see it, trading stronger, retracing losses posted yesterday. However, we are still dealing with that stronger dollar. So the big question here is whether these gains are sustained, or will they be sustained? And with that, we see the dollar to the rand at 16.31, the pound to the rand at 21.82, and the euro to the rand back under 19. So broad-based gains when it comes to the local unit. Now let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar trending weak at 1.16, the pound to the dollar at 1.33, the dollar yen pair, however, stronger, trading above 157.